Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to present about Python installation. I am Divya from Coding and Technology. This session's objectives are installation of Python programming language in your computer system and how to create your first Python program. Let's start with the installation of Python. Installing or updating Python on your system is the first step to become a Python developer. There are many ways you can get started with setup and installation. You can download official Python distributions from python.org. For the installation of Python programming language, type python.org in your favorite web browser and then hit enter. You will be redirected into Python's official web page. Then choose download section. A drop-down menu will be coming. Here you can see the latest and previous version of Python. Now I am choosing latest version, that is Python 3.10.0. Click on that, then the Python's executable file will be downloaded. Double click the Python executable file which is downloaded. A window will be open here. We can see two types of installation here. First, the install now to install Python with default settings, and the second one, customize installation to enable or disable features. Here I would like to select customize installation. Before that, click on the add path checkbox. It will be set the Python path automatically to the environment variables, which will be helping you to run your Python program from any part of your computer. Now I will click customize installation. It will proceed to the next tab, which is optional features. Here, pip helps to download and install other Python packages. Idle, which is the Python development environment. These two are very important. And as default, all options are checked and then click on next. And it will be leaded to the next tab, which is advanced options. By default, only 3 options are checked. Make sure all are checked. Also, you can customize the install location to browse and then click install. Finally, setup was successful. Click on disable path length limit. Click on close button. The Python installation has been completed. Now let's start to create our first Python program. Python idle. Idle is Python's integrated development and learning environment. Python idle has two main window types. The first one is the shell window, which is interactive mode, and the second one is the editor window, that is script mode. The interactive mode, which is used for running a single line or a single block of code, whereas the script mode is used to work with lengthy codes or multiple blocks of code. The extension of Python file is .py. Now we are going to create our first Python program using Python idle. So click here. A new window will be opening. This is Python shell window. Here I am typing print statement to print hello world. We should type hello world within double quotes and parentheses along with the print statement. And hit enter key. Output will be displayed on the screen as hello world. Since it is an interactive mode, after the execution of each command, you will be getting the output immediately as soon as you press enter key. Now we can move to the script mode of Python idle. For this, go to File tab, click on New File. A new script file has been created. Here we can type Python commands. I am typing print statement to print hello world. After this, hit enter key. You won't get any result because it is script mode. Here, you won't get any output until the script file is saved and run. For executing this file, go to Run, click on Run module or simply by pressing F5. The Python IDE prompts you to save your script as Python file. So click OK. Write the file name over here along with the py extension. So here I am writing first.py and choose folder where we want to save. Here I am choosing desktop, Python programs, and click on save button. As soon as we enter save button, our script file will be executed and output will be displayed on Python's idle shell window. This is about the script mode of Python idle. I hope this video would be helpful in your better understanding of which approach to take while coding in Python idle. Thank you for watching.